Akken Goengbor, continuously there has been failure after failure. And we have seen gang wars happening all over Goa. We have seen drug issues happening. Ata for the last 1 month, Kolwa police station seems to be busy doing nothing. कित्याक एक म्हयनो जालो 2 चोरयो जाल्यो. 2 चोरयो जाल म्हणटरी आत in the last 1 week there has been continuous 4 robberies. 27th robbery, 28th robbery, 29th robbery, and the pattern of the robbery is such की घर जी बंद आहे, जी कोण यूके आहे, जी कोण भायर आहे, जी कोण वेलंकनी गेलो आहे, आता साहेबनी नोयेन चलताय थिंग गेलो आहे, ती घर मोडले आणि तो पॅटर्न एकू भाशेचो घर बंद आहे तेंक मोडले आणि कातरोन मोडले. सो हे अशें करून रॉबरी जेन्ना कॉमेस जाता तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता पुलीस हॅज टू एक्ट प्रॉम्प्टली.
Nothing is happening in Kolwa that is really good. I don't know whether it is law and whether it is order. There has been robberies for the last 1 month, 4-5 robberies. The mode of the robbery is the same everywhere. Now, these things are happening and it is brought to the notice of the police. The police is supposed to safeguard the citizen, but nothing seems to happen. Just some inquiry, just a visit, and everything is over.
8:30 आमगे बागे भायल्यान गेल्लो चोवपा घरा कडेन चोयल्या तेगे देर ओपन आहा पिकास आहा भायल्यान घर ओपन आहा पिकासान फोडा म्हळ्यार हांवें म्हळ्यार पुलिसाक कंप्लेन करुया. पुलिसाक घेवन येयलो पुलीस स्टेशनार वचोन घेवन येयलो आनी मागीर ताका दाखयलें सगलें आर्केन ऊंच सगलें एक तेगे भितर बेडरुमांतल्यान डोर हें केला आर्केन पडयलां तें कांय दवरना मॅस केला सारकें आनी मागीर पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेन केलें.
हांव बोरना म्हणून बॉम्बे गेलोलो पांयां दोतोरा दाखोवपाक आनी 8 तारखे हांव पोतून येयलें म्हगे आख्खें घर चोला. 2 तारखे हांव येयलोलो दुगायचो आनी 4 तारखे हांव बॉम्बे गेलोलो. 8 तारखे पोतून येयलें आख्खें घर मुगेलें सगळीं लॉकां गेटी आख्खें काबोर्डां देरां सगळीं म्हूण आख्खें चोरून गेलें.
Today we have come together as a unity, as there has been cases in our locality of theft that have been going for a couple of days, and we just want security for ourselves and our neighborhood in a special way. And I would also like to highlight that there has been very limited patrolling that has been going on in our locality.